Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. This video is going to be a review of the French Polygel kit from Makartt, and if you are interested in purchasing this kit, you can use my code Elizabeth on the Makartt website and that'll save you 15%. I will let you know that that is an affiliate link, so I would make a few cents off your purchase, but by using my code, it doesn't end up costing you anything extra. You'll actually be saving money by using my code. So if you're interested at the end of this video in this kit, use my code and the link will be in the description box where you can purchase this kit. But I'm also going to be reviewing this kit and showing you how to create polygel nails. This is my first time using polygel, so I definitely still have a lot to learn, but let's get into this video. This kit comes with the base coat, the top coat gel, clear polygel, bright white polygel, natural pink, dark pink, light pink, and Misty Rose, which is a clear light pink. You also get a set of dual forms, which I'll show you how to use in this video. It's really nice that they come in this container and they are organized by size. I have seen some polygel kits where the dual forms come in a bag, so this is really nice to keep you nice and organized, and there are 5 dual forms for each size. You also get an instruction manual, which is really helpful for beginners like me. You also get a dual-sided nail file, and this dual-sided tool. This has the brush for flattening out the polygel on the dual form, and then it also has the picker for helping get the polygel off of the tube. To start my polygel nails, I'm actually going to be using a peel-off base coat because I still have some swatch and review videos that I need to get out for my channel, and I don't really want extremely long nails for that. But if you wanted your nails to last a long time, this is when you'd want to do the prep. So you'd want to file your nails down a little bit, make sure that your nails are free of residue and oils, and you'll also want to make sure that they are just a little buffed so that the gel has something to stick to. Like I said, I am going to be popping these off, but I know in the future that I'll definitely want to have these last a really long time because I think they're super fun to do. The next step is finding a dual form that fits your nails really nicely, and you're going to want to make sure that the dual form covers your complete nail. This is not like press-on nails where you want it to be a little bit smaller because when you press it on, it fits to your nail. You want the dual form to cover your nail completely before you press it down, so making sure that it covers the sidewalls as well. The next step is to apply a layer of the gel-based coat. This is to make sure that the polygel has something to stick to on your nail. Since this is a gel-based coat, you're going to want to cure it in your lamp. Whether it's UV or LED, the instruction pamphlet has instructions for how long you should cure it. My lamp is an LED lamp, so I cured it for 1 minute, and I'm not exactly sure if I remember where I got it, but if I do remember, I will link it in the description box for you. Now here comes the fun part, actually making your nails. So I'm using natural pink for this. I think it's a really nice natural pink, as the name implies, and it looks really natural on the nail. So I'm squeezing out a little bit of the polygel onto the picker and then smoothing it out into the dual form, and then using the brush on the other side of that tool, I am making sure that the polygel covers the length of nail that I want to. Since this was my first time using polygel, I really wanted to go all out and have like full-on Cardi B nails, so I made sure that I had enough polygel to make the nails really long. Also, this kit doesn't come with slip solution, which helps your brush not stick to the polygel, especially if it's really warm where you're doing your polygel like it was for me. The brush might stick a little bit, but I did see on, I think it was Nails by Nikki, on her YouTube channel, she didn't have slip solution, or her kit didn't come with slip solution, and she tried using base coat for a slip solution, and that's what I did, and it worked really well. So I was using the gel base coat to help make sure that my brush wasn't sticking to the polygel. So every once in a while, if I noticed my brush was sticking, I was dipping it into the base coat gel. Now I'm just repeating those same steps for the rest of the dual forms. One thing you want to make sure is that your nail has an apex. So the videos that I've watched with polygel, they mention that an apex is making sure that the gel is a little bit thicker towards the base of the nail where you're going to put it onto your natural nail. That just makes sure that the nail doesn't break off and it has some strength to it. So that's what I was trying to do. Again, I definitely need more practice, but it was pretty easy to do for a beginner, for someone who's never done polygel nails before. Using the dual forms, I think, is a really great and easy way to do polygel nails. Then I'm just taking the dual forms and placing them onto my nails, trying to make sure that there are no air bubbles. I think the best way to do this is kind of applying it at an angle and then gently press down to make sure that it's completely adhered to your nail. One thing I forgot to show in this video is checking the underside of your nail and making sure that it's not too thick, and if it is, just taking the brush and smoothing it out a little bit. Once the dual forms are on, then you can just cure your nails, and then once they are done curing, you can just pop off the dual form. It's so cool to watch, and then you're left with these really long nails. Then I'm just filing my nails. I was trying to go for a coffin shape because I've never had nails this long, and I've always seen the coffin shaped nails and I think they're really beautiful. So I'm just using the nail file that the kit comes with to file down my nails. I later decided that the nails were still a little bit too long for me, so I am using some nail clippers just to clip them down just a little bit. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Then I continued filing my nails, and I do not know why I'm using the Olive and June nail file here instead of the Makartt one, but the Makartt one is definitely going to be a lot better for shaping your polygel nails a lot quicker because it has more grit to it and it's made for polygel nails. So I don't recommend using a nail file that's made for your natural nails because it's going to take a lot longer to file your nails down. As I mentioned when I was filming, especially under the lights, my room was really warm, so the gel was getting super soft and was kind of being too soft to work with, so I only did 2 nails at a time. So once everything was cooled down a little bit, I then did my other 2 nails. I then just repeated the process of curing them and then clipping them down before filing. I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. Here I used the Makartt nail file again, and it was so much easier to work with and shaping my nails. Here are the finished nails. I know they're not perfect, but for being my first time using polygel, I was really impressed and I love the way they look. And I think it's kind of interesting, the natural pink does kind of look almost like my natural nails. I mean, you can tell that they are still polygel, but I think it's really beautiful. So then I applied a layer of the gel top coat to seal in the polygel, and this is a no wipe top coat, so it's not going to be super sticky. It's going to leave your nails just fine. You don't have to worry about wiping off that sticky layer of the gel. And again, with this being a gel top coat, you'll want to cure it for a minute. Here are the nails with the top coat, and like I said, I really like how they look. I think they turned out really nice. I definitely have recognized some errors that I've made and I need to improve my application skills, but overall I thought this was pretty easy to work with, especially for a beginner in polygels just like me. For the thumbnail of this video, I painted my nails pink. So this is Olive and June Grateful and Kind, which is just a really beautiful basic pink polish. And I had so much fun painting these really long nails. I've had longer nails, natural nails before, but never nails this long. And it was so much fun to paint them. And I already have so many ideas for nail art because I feel like I have a much larger canvas when I have these polygel extensions. So what's really nice about the natural pink polygel is that you can paint any color that you want over it. You can paint any gel color, do any nail art that you want, and it still kind of looks like your natural nail color. Here are the finished painted nails, and I just really liked them. I had a lot of fun doing the polygel, and I just loved walking around my house with these nails on. I was tapping on different surfaces. I just felt like a completely different person, like I said, Cardi B or Kardashian. I just really had a lot of fun with these really long nails. I don't know that I could really function with these, especially when I go back to school. I'm not sure how I could type with these or write with super long nails, but especially in the winter, I think it'll be great to have some sort of extension on my nail, because a lot of times my nails, even though I try to take good care of them, do crack and break. So this will be really nice to have an alternative to having longer nails, which I really love having longer nails. So I'm really excited to have these, and what's really cool, like I said, is you can paint them any color, especially if you use a natural color like the natural pink polygel. So if you're interested in purchasing this kit, again, the link will be below, and don't forget to use my code Elizabeth for 15% off your purchase. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any requests for me using the polygel nails, let me know. I'm definitely going to be doing more polygel videos on my channel. Of course, I'll still be doing nail art and doing my nails on my natural nails, but I'm really excited to make polygel content. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.